Do you hold an interest in mastering the art of a healthy, scrumptious chicken stir-fry in just 15 minutes? Welcome to the Healthy Cooking Challenge, where we put the fun in the fundamentals of creating a delicious stir-fry in no time. It's all about the perfect blend of crisp vegetables, tender chicken, and a lip-smacking sauce. So, are you ready to rise to the occasion and embrace this challenge? Stay tuned to uncover the secret behind a quick and healthy chicken stir-fry. First things first, gather all the magic elements, the ingredients. Start with a lean, boneless chicken breast, a powerhouse of protein. Next, a medley of colorful veggies, bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. They're not just for the vibrant colors, but also loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. A dash of ginger and garlic, nature's own antibiotics, will add that punch of flavor. For the sauce, you'll need low-sodium soy sauce and honey. The combination brings a balance of savory and sweet, with no need for extra salt or sugar. A drizzle of sesame oil will add that authentic Asian touch, and it's good for your heart too. Finally, a sprinkle of sesame seeds for a bit of crunch and a boost of calcium. Make sure you have some cooked brown rice or quinoa on the side. These whole grains are a great source of fiber and make your meal more filling. Now that you have all your ingredients in place, it's time to step into the cooking arena. Before the action begins, remember the key to a great stir-fry is in the preparation. You see, every element of your dish, from the crunchiest carrot to the juiciest piece of chicken, deserves your full attention, even before they hit the pan. First off, let's start with the vegetables. Make sure they are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Once they're as clean as a whistle, it's time to cut them. We want them to be bite-sized, but not too small that they lose their crunch. Remember, we're aiming for a symphony of textures here. Now let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the chicken. We want to marinate it to ensure it's flavorful and juicy. A simple marinade can be made from soy sauce, a hint of honey, and a dash of sesame oil. Let the chicken mingle with these flavors for at least 10 minutes. While it's soaking up all that goodness, you can take this time to organize your cooking station. And there you have it, the stage is set. Your vegetables are washed and cut. Your chicken is marinated, and your cooking station is ready for action. The key to a smooth-sailing stir-fry is, after all in the preparation. You're now ready to face the heat of the stir-fry battle. Preparation done right sets the stage for a perfect stir-fry. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the cooking showdown begins. Our first step is to heat our pan over medium-high heat. We want it nice and hot before we add our ingredients. Now, with our pan at the perfect temperature, we introduce our chicken. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor developing. While our chicken browns, let's discuss timing. A stir-fry is a swift dance of flavors and textures, and timing is key. The chicken will need about 4 to 5 minutes to cook through. Remember, we don't want to overcook it, as we'll be adding it back to the pan later. Next, we remove our beautifully browned chicken and set it aside. In the same pan, we add our vegetables. The key here is to keep them moving. We stir-fry, which means to cook quickly over high heat while stirring constantly. This locks in the freshness and crunchiness of our veggies. Let's talk about stirring techniques. The goal is to keep the food jumping in the pan. To do this, use a quick scooping motion. Imagine you're trying to flip the ingredients, not just push them around. Once our vegetables are vibrant and slightly tender, we make way for our chicken to rejoin the party. We add it back into the pan, combining it with our vegetables. Now, it's time for our sauce. We pour it over our chicken and vegetables, making sure everything is coated evenly. The sauce brings all our ingredients together, creating a harmony of flavors. It needs to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to thicken and adhere to our chicken and vegetables. This is what gives our stir-fry its distinct, rich flavor. And now, for the final touch in our cooking showdown, the garnish. We sprinkle our stir-fry with some freshly chopped spring onions. They add a pop of color and a burst of fresh flavor that ties everything together. Remember, a stir-fry is all about high heat and fast cooking. It's a balance of flavors and textures and a celebration of fresh ingredients. It's not just a cooking method, it's an art form. And with that, the cooking showdown ends. But wait, we're not done yet. Cooking is an art and presentation its soul. Let's bring our masterpiece to life. Now that we've cooked up our healthy chicken stir-fry, it's time to give it the final touch. You might be wondering, why is presentation so important? Well, it's all about the first impression. When a dish is visually appealing, it can stimulate your appetite and make the food taste even better. Just like the saying goes, we eat with our eyes first. So, how do we plate our stir-fry to make it look appetizing? Start by choosing the right dish. A plain white plate can make the vibrant colors of the stir-fry pop. Now let's get to the actual plating. Use a pair of tongs to pick up the chicken pieces and vegetables, letting any excess sauce drip off. Arrange them in the center of the plate, creating some height. This gives the dish a professional restaurant-quality look. Next, drizzle some of the stir-fry sauce over the top. Not only does this add a glossy finish, but it also keeps the dish moist and flavorful. Now, for the garnish. A sprinkle of sesame seeds or chopped green onions can add a nice crunch and a pop of color. Remember, the garnish should complement the dish and not overpower it. If you're serving the stir-fry with rice, place it on the side or in a small bowl. This way, your guests can choose how much they want to eat. And there you have it. A beautifully presented, healthy chicken stir-fry that's sure to impress your family and friends. Remember, presentation is just as important as taste. It's about creating an experience that delights all your senses. So, take a few extra minutes to present your dish in a way that makes it look as good as it tastes. Voila! Your healthy, quick, and delicious chicken stir-fry is ready. Let's take a quick recap of our culinary journey today. We embarked on a delectable adventure, creating a healthy chicken stir-fry in just 15 minutes. A feat that proved to be not just achievable but also thoroughly enjoyable. We began with fresh, vibrant ingredients. The star of the show, lean chicken breast, took center stage, offering a high-quality protein source that aids muscle growth and repair, accompanied by a colorful array of vegetables: bell peppers for a vitamin C boost, carrots rich in beta-carotene, and onions, known for their antioxidant properties. A medley that's not just flavorful but also packed with nutrients. The preparation stage was all about chopping, slicing, and dicing, turning our fresh produce into bite-sized pieces. This step was crucial, ensuring even cooking and a harmonious blend of flavors. Then came the cooking showdown, where we carefully sautéed our ingredients in a hot wok, ensuring the chicken was cooked to perfection while the vegetables retained their crunch. The secret to our success? High heat, quick stirring, and a balance of flavors courtesy of our homemade stir-fry sauce. The result? A dish that's not just tasty but also quick to whip up, perfect for those busy weekdays. Finally, we presented our creation, adding the final touch with a sprinkle of sesame seeds for an extra crunch and a dash of color with some fresh green onions. The result was a feast for the eyes as much as the palate, proving once again that healthy food doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. So, we've not only made a delicious dish, but also took a significant step towards a healthier lifestyle. Each ingredient we used brought something beneficial to the table, contributing to a balanced, nutrient-rich meal. Remember, good health is a kitchen away. By combining the right ingredients and cooking methods, we can create meals that are as good for our bodies as they are for our taste buds. So let's continue this journey of culinary exploration, one healthy recipe at a time. Loved this quick and healthy recipe? Go ahead, give this 15-minute chicken stir-fry a whirl in your own kitchen. We'd love to hear how it turned out for you. Remember, cooking is an art, and every artist has a unique touch. So, share your culinary adventure and let's make this a fun, engaging space for all food enthusiasts. And hey, if you're craving more health-packed and easy recipes like this, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay healthy,